We often see people who are eager to tone down their body, but neither did we know that the number of persons who wants to increase their weight is almost the same with those who want to lose some. The Mass Gainer is a powdered supplement rich in protein, carbohydrates, and fats that are essential to gain weight. Its high protein and high calorie content help build firm and lean muscles, which is why it is the best drink to take if you're working out. Whether you're a bodybuilder or just an individual who wants to gain weight, the supplements that we are going to introduce are perfect for you. We listed them based on their efficiency, nutritional value, and feedbacks from customers. All of these products are guaranteed the best among the crowded market of Mass Gainer, so stay tuned as we unfold each one of them. Join us as we present the 5 best-selling Mass Gainer. Let's start! First on our list is Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Weight Gainer Protein Powder in chocolate flavor. Are you a bodybuilder who wants to gain muscle mass but doesn't know how to start, or a slender person who can't find an effective way to increase weight? Whichever you are, our top-selling product might be the answer to your needs. In every 2-scoop serving of this high-protein dietary supplement, you get a total of 1,250 calories. Each drink gives your body 50 grams of protein, 253 grams of carbohydrates with 25 essential vitamins and minerals, plus creatine and glutamine. All of these nutrients packed in a 12-pound bag to help shape the better you. The optimum intake to achieve the body you desire is between meals, after weight training, and before bedtime. For beginners, the ideal consumption is half of the full serving for a week, then slowly increase it afterward. Mixing it with non-fat or low-fat milk produces creamier and thicker consistency that your taste buds will surely love. This Mass Gainer powder is also a perfect partner if you're going through an intense workout program, as it helps your muscle to recover. What's cool is that you can blend it with fresh fruits, unsalted nuts, peanut butter, or rolled oats for a more nutritiously delicious Mass Gainer shake. You no longer need to buy expensive, ready-to-drink protein beverages when you can make a healthier one. The Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Weight Gainer Protein Powder is also available in chocolate peanut butter and banana flavor. This supplement also contains milk, egg, wheat, and soy. It may not be suitable for pregnant and lactating mothers. If you are taking medicine or diagnosed with a medical condition, it is best to consult your health practitioner before consuming any weight gainer. Securing the second spot is Muscle Farm Combat XL Mass Gainer Powder. Among the wide variety of Mass Gainer available on the market, how can you be sure to get the best one? Well, if you're uncertain what it has to be, let us share you some tips. First, it must contain all the essential nutrients that increase muscle mass. Second, it must not include banned substances. And lastly, it must deliver a fast and outstanding result. This product ticks all the necessary benefits a Mass Gainer has to have, and apart from helping users gain weight and build muscles, it also improves athletic performance, stamina, and overall health. Surely a great choice, isn't it? Stay tuned because there's a lot more. The Muscle Farm Combat XL Weight Gainer Protein Powder is complete with essential vitamins and minerals, calories, carbohydrates, and protein. Each serving has 1,270 calories, 50 grams of protein, and 252 grams of carbohydrates, plus flax and chia seed, as well as MCTs or the fatty acids. It is a nutrient-dense supplement perfect as a post-workout drink that helps the muscles to recover, making it more firm and lean. More than that, it is banned substance tested and Informed Choice certified, so it is certainly healthy and safe to consume. The ideal intake is 1 to 3 times a day. For optimum results, mix 4 scoops of Combat XL with 18 to 20 ounces of cold water. Also, it is best to use milk instead of water for a more flavorful, rich in protein milkshake. This deal includes a 30-day full money-back guarantee. Next on our list is Muscle Tech Mass Tech Extreme Weight Gainer Protein Powder that is available in 3 yummy flavors, which are delicious strawberry, triple chocolate brownie, and a vanilla milkshake. The Ultimate Mass Gainer dietary supplement is rich in muscle-building ingredients. It boasts a scientifically superior formula free of proprietary blends, filters, underdosed key ingredients, and banned substances. It's perfect for bodybuilders, athletes, powerlifters, and individuals who want to gain muscle mass. The MuscleTech MassTech Extreme Weight Gainer Protein Powder contains 20 vitamins and minerals, 10 grams of premium protein, over 400 grams of carbohydrates, 2,270 calories, a 10-gram dose of creatine, 17.8 grams of high-protein branched-chain amino acids, plus 8.2 grams of L-leucine when mixed with 20 ounces of skim milk. It also gives you 14.5 grams of L-glutamine, and precursor that helps your muscle to recover after an intense exercise training. All of these contents are carefully selected to make your body stronger and bolder than ever. What's more, it helps you produce broader shoulders, bigger arms, muscular chest, and back without adding excess fats on your physique. For better taste with extra calories, you may add peanut butter, oatmeal, yogurt, banana, or any fresh fruit that you like. This 5.1 Extreme Whey Mass Gainer formula is made better with the new 22-pound bonus size, so you won't run out of supply. It is manufactured in a facility that processes peanut, tree nut, fish, and shellfish oil, eggs, and wheat ingredients. Also, this product contains milk, soy, and coconut. It is not suitable for ages 18 and below, pregnant and lactating mothers. Are you now ready for a bigger and stronger you? If you are, then head on to the description box and click the link that will help you achieve your body composition goal. Let us know if there's a product you'd like us to review by writing your suggestions in the comment box. Before we proceed to our next product, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to join our growing community. Also, hit the bell icon so we can update you when our new video is out. Now, let's continue. Our fourth product is Optimum Nutrition Pro Gainer High Protein Weight Gainer. Are you searching for a weight gainer that is rich in nutrients essential for muscle growth and repair? If you are, then the search is over. This powdered protein and carbohydrate drink mix is complete with key features that will help you gain weight and recover after intense workouts or training. You can begin drinking 1 serving after a workout for muscle recovery, 1 to 2 servings between meals, and another one before bedtime for optimum result. For a thicker and creamier shake, it may even be mixed with non-fat or skim milk. Adding peanut butter, nuts, oats, and fresh fruits can also increase nutrients and calories. What's cool is it's easy to prepare by using a blender, bottle shaker, or stir it in a glass. The Optimum Nutrition Pro Gainer High Protein Weight Gainer is Informed Choice certified and manufactured in the USA. It is available in 5.09 pound, 10.19 pound, and 0.085 pound bags, with a wide variety of flavors such as banana, double rich chocolate, fruit punch, peach mango, raspberry lemonade, strawberry vanilla, and unflavored. Last but not least is the Body Fortress Superior Advanced Mass Gainer in 2 delicious flavors, chocolate and vanilla. If you want a nutritionally dense mass gainer that can help you build strong and firm muscles, this product is for you. It is meticulously formulated to fuel your body with mass-gaining calories and key nutrients to support healthier muscle growth and repair after an intense exercise program. It can easily be mixed with water and good as it is, so no need to buy milk. This muscle-building supplement contains neither gluten nor aspartame that may be harmful to our health. In every 6-scoop serving, your body gets 40 grams of premium protein and 8 grams of branched-chain amino acids to boost muscle buildup as well as recovery, 1,000 calories, and 198 grams of carbohydrates to aid muscle glycogen storage, and 2.5 grams of beta power to support lean mass and body consumption. Whether you're a powerlifter, an athlete, or just a fitness enthusiast, this supplement is for you. With all the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals this supplement has to offer, you will surely bulk up in no time. To prepare, you can easily stir it, shake it in a bottle, or use a blender for a smoothie consistency, whichever you prefer. It is best to combine the Body Fortress Super Advanced Mass Gainer with an intense daily exercise program and a balanced diet with sufficient caloric intake. This item is available in 2.25 pound or 4 pound value size containers. Remember to consume it after your workout. We're now done with the best-selling mass gainer on the market today. We hope you enjoy watching our review as much as we enjoyed sharing these great deals with you. All of these items are highly nutritious and guaranteed muscle builders, so if you see something you want to try, head on to the description box and click the link to catch it at our best offer. We value your comments and suggestions, so don't forget to leave them below. If you want to stay updated on our latest happenings, tap the bell icon and we'll keep you posted. Before we end our video, click the subscribe button for more exciting and innovative product reviews and to be part of our growing community as well. That's all for today. Thank you for staying with us.